As parents and caregivers, ensuring that our children have access to nutritious and balanced snacks is a top priority. Energy bars can be a convenient and appealing option, providing a quick boost of energy while delivering essential nutrients. However, with a multitude of options available on the market, it can be challenging to identify the best energy bars for kids. In this article, we will explore some of the key factors to consider when choosing energy bars for children and highlight a selection of the top options that offer both taste and nutritional value. Whether you're looking for a snack to fuel your child's active lifestyle or seeking a healthy on-the-go option, this guide will help you make informed decisions and provide your kids with delicious and nourishing energy bars. 4 Clif Bloks, Margarita. The Clif Bloks Energy Chews are highly rated energy bites that provide quick and chewable energy. Created by athletes for athletes, these energy chews come in 33 calorie cubes and offer varied sodium and caffeine levels to suit different goals. They have convenient and portable packaging, allowing for easy consumption during activities. The black cherry flavor contains 50 mg of caffeine per serving, while the orange and tropical punch flavors each contain 25 mg of caffeine per serving. The margarita flavor has 3 times the sodium of other flavors. Clif Bloks Energy Chews are made in the USA and have different organic ingredients depending on the flavor. They are a popular choice among customers for their taste and effectiveness in providing an energy boost. 3 ProBar, Meal Bar 12. ProBar is a Salt Lake City-based company that produces a range of healthy food bars. The Meal Bar, their flagship product, is a certified organic meal replacement with 5 to 8 grams of fiber and 5 to 11 grams of protein per bar. The reviewer highly recommends the Meal Bar for hiking and backpacking due to its convenience and high-quality ingredients. ProBar offers 12 different flavors to choose from, and all their bars are vegan, dairy-free, certified organic, and GMO-free. The Meal Bar weighs 3 ounces and contains whole ingredients like oats, fruits, nuts, and seeds. It provides lasting energy with its approximately 400 calorie content. The bars withstand heat well and remain palatable even in high temperatures. They also hold up in cold temperatures at high elevations. The reviewer found the bars easy to digest and did not experience any stomach discomfort. The bars were also useful for post-hike snacking and curbing hunger during drives. The reviewer plans to include ProBar meal bars in their upcoming hiking trips and recommends others to try them as well. 2 Taos Bakes Snack Bars. Taos Bakes is a specialty food and bakery located at 2,638 nautical miles -522, Cuesta. They are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and offer online ordering. They have received positive ratings on Google, 4.5 stars, and Facebook, 4.9 stars. Customers praise the taste and quality of their snack bars, mentioning that they are not overly sweet and have a perfect blend of ingredients. Some customers even special order the bars directly from the manufacturer because they couldn't find them in local stores. The toasted coconut plus vanilla flavor is particularly mentioned as delicious, and customers appreciate that the bars are allergen-friendly, catering to those with gluten and soy allergies. 1 Clif Kid Z-Bar, Organic. Clif Bar offers the Clif Kid Organic Z-Bar, a smaller bar designed for children as a breakfast or snack option. It serves as an alternative to grocery store snack bars, with a comparable ingredient list to homemade bars and without artificial ingredients like high fructose corn syrup. While the Z-Bar is still a processed food and not as nutrient-dense as fresh fruits, it appears to have better ingredients compared to many competitors. In terms of nutrition, the Z-Bar has similar facts to other bars but stands out with lower fat, more protein, and higher fiber. It offers a healthier nutritional profile compared to low-quality bars that contain ingredients like partially hydrogenated oils. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the best energy bars for kids, several factors should be taken into consideration. It is crucial to prioritize bars that are nutritious, delicious, and made from wholesome ingredients. The bars should provide a good balance of macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats, while minimizing the presence of added sugars and artificial additives. Some top contenders for the best energy bars for kids include those that are specifically designed for children and meet their unique nutritional needs. These bars often incorporate whole grains, fruits, and nuts, providing a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, bars that are free from common allergens like nuts, gluten, or dairy can be suitable for children with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. Another aspect to consider is the taste and texture of the energy bars. It is important to select bars that are appealing to children and encourage them to eat healthily. Finding flavors that kids enjoy, such as chocolate, berry, or peanut butter, can make a significant difference in their willingness to consume these bars as a snack or on-the-go fuel.